Hey guys, author at StarReviews, and today I'm going to show you how to get free mulch for your yard. So almost every municipality in the United States gives away free mulch. In the town of Huntington where I live, we can go to the town dump at any time, pull up, and we can get up to 10 free bags of mulch. So instead of going to Home Depot and paying $4 to $6 for a bag of mulch, you can generally get free mulch from your local municipality. So simply call the sanitation department, the highway department, or the parks department, whichever one handles it in your town, and ask where you can get mulch. In general, they'll put it on the side of the road in a certain area for a certain pickup time, or certain towns will have, at the town dump they'll have it available, but you can generally get free mulch from any municipality in the United States. Okay, so today I have to mulch this area in my front yard. So instead of going off to Home Depot, I ran to the town dump to pick up some mulch. Okay, so one trip to the town dump, 12 bags of free mulch, and we have this whole front yard taken care of. You can get your free mulch at your local municipality. Just contact them and find out where and when.